I don't think I love you no more. You never seem to call me lately, but I don't think she knew me at all.
Oh my god. We did it. We did it, boys. We did it. I've made a Discord. Oh my god. I actually did it. Basically, if you guys weren't watching, in my latest stream on the fishing simulator, wait, quick ASMR. Don't ask. Right, anyway, I made some friends on there, and one of them said I should make a Discord channel, and I was like, wow, that's amazing. So I made a new Discord account called Gumsy with my account name, and I made the Discord channel Gumsy's Discord. So the link for my Discord is in the description, guys. Go check it out. Go check it out. At the moment you can't see because I'm the only one in here, but I've got loads of different roles. I've got general, so you can just chat to me and whatever, video ideas, so you guys can let me know what videos you want to see. You can tell me, ask me if you need help on anything. This is a donation link, so you guys can donate, and that also gives you a role, by the way, if you didn't know, upcoming videos, so I'll let you guys know what videos are coming up. Then there'll be this one, which is just like a general voice chat, so I'm talking in this voice chat now. None of you are here, so it doesn't matter. Then there'll be this one, which is another general, I guess, and then there's AFK, which basically, it seems, yeah, if you're AFK for like 10 minutes, you'll get sent to this one where you can't speak, you can't hear anything, and you can get out, and you can be put in there as punishment as well, but I hope I don't have to do that to anyone. Anyway, yeah, if you guys join, you guys can get roles, you can help me out, and I really want to do videos with you guys so we can all get in general chats, and I can do videos with all you guys, like Simon Says videos. It excites me, bro, it excites me. And also, it would help me and you guys a lot, I guess, if we go to Roblox. I don't know why Roblox face happy. Right, anyway, if we go to Roblox and we look at groups, so let's go to groups, the Gummy group. Okay, so this is my group, and if you guys join, I have some t-shirts in here at the moment, which are pretty cool, but I'm also going to be making some like sort of merch and stuff, and that would really help me out, guys, if you went and bought all this, because I plan on doing huge Robux giveaways a lot. I don't know if you watched my last stream, but I gave Robux to this guy, and I'm about to give Robux to this guy. So let's go to configure and then revenue payouts. So I haven't got much at the moment. I got 56 funds. I'm going to go to one-time payout, add recipient, and I'm looking for Epic Pikachu. Okay, I found him, and I'm going to pay out to him 20 Robux. Now, I know it's not much, but it's still some, and I don't have much at the moment, so that's why I'm only doing 20. But he was helping me out in my stream, so I'm just going to give him that 20 Robux. There we go, 20 Robux paid out. That's really cool, okay? So make sure you guys join this group, buy the merch, super cool. And then I can do Roblox giveaways with you guys, and also join the Discord group, link in the description for Discord group and my group. Thanks for watching, adios.